Have you ever attended a dyno day? And what even happens on a dyno day? And why do people even have dyno days? In this video, I'm going to show you the fun times that we have at a dyno day. From top speed runs, to wheelies, to even me making the statement.
You don't buy an R1 because it's reliable. You buy it because it's sexy and it gives you a good time, baby.
So let's see how much power these bikes make. But before all of that, we all need to know and find out which bike took the cup for the day. Even though we ended up noticing some mechanical issues on some bikes, so let's get into some revving and see what happens.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yes, yes. Our baby is gonna do chorizo flow. Oh, now you know how it feels, huh? Now you know how it feels, huh? Oh, baby! What happened to your camera? What happened to my camera? I don't know. What happened to your camera? It's broken. Oh, shit! What are you eating? You're not eating anything. Oh, this looks sharp, huh? No, that's sharp, man. You shop? Yeah, good. Fucking cooking here. I'm not going to be pink when I'm done here. Oh, fuck, sorry. Well, I can't turn in the talk, eh? Don't even. I knew it. You. How you doing? What's happening? What's up? Wait. That's slow. Yeah, hello, Tabai. Very? Mahmoud, one round, baby. Can you know? Stay out of my video. This guy needs to stay out of my...
When they were doing the slow races and slow rides and all of that stuff.
Oh, they were doing them here?
No, yeah, they did them already.
Oh.
I lost. But...
This thing is... Oh. That's an RR, baby. That one there. But they must put my name here in the first place. One time, I don't need to put it on. They must just put my name there because obviously, you know, baby, you know. Yeah, no, you know, Sugar Lips, you know, Sugar, I mean, you know. The slip-on. That's exactly. This one open inside and then. So it's not too like. Yes. And then this is the X-Ram products, you know, baby. Yo, 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 yo. Mama, 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 mama. And you can see fucking burnout. You can see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody was having a good time. Boy, you know, baby. It's the life. Boy. It's the life, baby.
Picture behind the red, in front of the.
Oh, I see that one there. Oh, that's nice, sir. That's nice. Boy, family, huh?
I was going to wood me straight.
And then what happened?
When I pushed. Oh, hi, by the way.
Mr. Muscles. Get out of my video. Get out of my video. Hey! Hi! Baby man.
That's brother, how are you?
What are you?
Contact shop. Johan, brother.
Johan.
Johan, yeah.
No, he's not going on. One round, boy. Yes, baby. Yes, boy.
Let me feel.
Which time was that? The one that you had on? Yeah, pour it up. Ah, don't convert him. He's just cheating. He'll come back home. Doesn't that tell you what doesn't happen? He's just cheating. He'll be back home. He'll be back home. He knows where home is. Aye, boy. Aye, it's okay. Oh, jail or sharp. Come back home, boy.
He likes it.
Ah. You know what, nah? You don't buy an RR because it's reliable. You buy it because it's sexy and it gives you a good time, baby. You feel me?
It's sexy and gives you a good time.
It's sexy and gives you a good time, just like that. You understand? That's what. Look at this. Look at the R1 rider. He's so happy. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
I've been telling you guys.
Telling you that next.
Come here.
It's not that funny. One ride, one round, baby. Yeah. One ride, one round. Don't stress, boy. 2 minutes noodles. 2 minute noodles. 2 minute noodles. That's not good. Boy. Brother, don't. With that sprocket, look at that. There's ABS and traction control there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there we go.
You can take a video.
Fucking hell, let me go. Yeah, devil. One right, one RR, baby. You do the one. That's a RR, boy. RR, what is the RR? That's a RR, baby. I don't know. I want to turn on you, boy. Don't know. RR, baby.
Tell me now.
Tell you now what?
Tell me now what I'm
Hey.
saying. What are you?
That's a lot, baby. One ride, baby. Yes, yes. Kawasaki U. Kawasaki U. Fastest bike of the day. It's alive, baby! One round, baby. You know. Away, show. Hey! Hey, start.
Yeah, that's
Okay. Oh.
I don't even need to.
You need to get out of my video. Are you really admiring or you buying face? Let me know when you get home, no? Okay. Come back to reality. Yes! Who's doing it? Hey, who's doing it? Yeah! Yes, baby! Ay! Hey! Wala na yan ba? Ay! Achi! Ouch! Hey! Yes, baby! Yes, boy! No change, baby! Alright, boy! Hey, one! Hey! No! Kahanam highway! Yeah, I need some oxygen now. Oh, 3.9.
Well done. Okay.
You wrote? Why? That looks like handwriting. Why?
It's an RR.
It's RR, baby. Watch out.
1.9 faster than
On a bike is like when your wife's or girlfriend or side piece or whatever that you have.
That's trying to get me demonetized. Oh, that bike is on the road.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
There's a lot of people that
I see it on my paper. I don't want to report.
Look at the power.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna say no to that.
No, but that's not a true one. This is the true one. This is the first one. No, this is your top end one. You don't get the because you see it peaks in second gear. So
Okay.
it's only a true power. This is the true power. So what was it?
Okay. 167.
167, 137.
I wouldn't mind this as a commuter bike. Thank you. Wicked wild. There it is over there. And definitely not me.